Now, one day something you want is half price, the next day it's full price. You literally have to check Amazon every day to never miss a bargain. But this app called Amazon Alert will do that shopping for you. Let's say you want one of the popular bamboo pillows. Well, you can order it now, of course, but if you're willing to wait for a sale, the Amazon Alert app will notify you of a price drop. Now, it works several ways. With the free version, you shop Amazon within the app. You will need to enter the product name to search for it, so I would recommend doing the window shopping on the Amazon website and then copying the product name. The paid version, which is $4 a year, will import your wish list that you've saved on Amazon.com. You can also use Amazon's share button on an item to have it sent to the app. Once you have the item saved in the Amazon Alert app, you name your price. And if the item goes on sale for that price, you will get a notification by email so you don't miss it. Now, the premium version of this app is $4, and it has some bells and whistles that come in handy. Obviously, it will not help with any products that you order and you need right away, but for something you can wait on until it goes on sale, Amazon Alert will probably save you more than $4. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Amazon Alert is the app of the day.